What's up, guys? So I want to explain how volume works, okay, and how market makers work, because this is currently how I trade, and I want to explain how I trade. Okay, so for us to understand how a market works and how we anticipate a move with volume, we have to understand how a market works, right? Let's say you go to Kroger. How do things get priced? Let's talk about that. How does pricing work? Well, originally, if there's no buyers and sellers, you could just make a price, and if nobody buys, you lower the price, and if people are buying it, you raise the price, right? So that's essentially like what happens if you go to the supermarket, you go to the store, you go to Walmart, you go somewhere, right? How do they know what to price milk at? Well, how many people are buying milk at that price? That's what they are determining. So that's what volume is. Volume is the one tool that we as traders or we as investors can use that can very, very, very accurately depict what the market thinks. Not what you think, what the market thinks, right? I used to use a lot of moving averages or RSI or this and that. But how do all that stuff works? I mean, it's not like it's just technicals. But volume is volume. Volume and price go hand in hand, right? You have to have both those things for a market to price a market. So that's what we use to articulate and speculate when we're pricing or when we're trying to buy stocks. That's what we use is volume. So you have to think about it like that. How does Kroger know? Well, how do they know? Or let's say this: how would you know if milk's going to go up? And you have the spreadsheet right here. You were at the store. You wanted to buy milk. You know what? I'm vegan. Let's not use milk. Okay. Let's use oranges. Let's use oranges. How do we know if oranges are going to go up in price? Well, how many people are buying oranges right now? Okay, there's a fair amount of people buying oranges right now. Okay, now the price is raising because there's a lot of people buying it. They raise the price. Wow, now there's even more people buying it after they raise the price. So, what does that mean? That means that the market believes that the prices are going to rise even more. That's why they're buying more as the prices are going higher. But what is that? What does that mean on the opposite? If the price goes up and less people are buying, they're saying, okay, it's probably not going to go any higher, or they're saying, this is too high. I'm going to sell my oranges back. That's basically what they're saying. So that's how you can use volume to determine and speculate where price is going to be heading in your stock move. Like today, Nvidia was going crazy. It was going crazy sometimes. So the way that I'll draw something on the whiteboard. Okay, the way that you can determine, we'll go ahead and get the volume bars like this. And we can see something like that, right? There's our price, there's our volume. So how can we determine that the price is going to keep on going higher? Well, we can see that because more people are buying as the price goes higher, right? That is an indication that prices are going to continue higher. It's the same thing with selling. If you see it trending down and you see the volume increasing to the downside, and then the move will reflect. The move, it should go sharper and sharper. It should match the volume. And if it doesn't match the volume, it's a whole different story. There's a book called Volume Price Analysis by Anna Culling. It's actually Anna Culling. That's actually where I learned a lot of this stuff and how I compartmentalized it and am now using it in my trading and fully understanding it, right? So that's called the divergence. That's a divergence in the volume, is when the price doesn't match the volume, right? That could indicate a reversal or a slowdown coming or a pivot. That could indicate those things. But we're talking about confirming volume. How do we know that the price is going to continue to raise? How do we know that what's going on right now is not just going to turn around. How do we know that? And it's very clear with Nvidia today, right? We saw Nvidia take another move back up. You can see that when you look at the volume. You have to be able to see, are more people buying as the volume increases or as the price goes up? If more people are buying as the price goes up, that means that more people are saying it's going to go even higher. I need to get in now. It's a rush. It's a FOMO. It's a it's fear. Or people are rushing. That's what you want to take advantage of. You want to be able to see these opportunities and speculate to the best of your ability. Okay, so that's how we use volume. That's how markets work. And I just want to make a note of that. That's how I've been trading lately. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment. If there's anything else you can add, please leave a comment for me. I would love to learn, or but anyways, cheers. Thanks for watching.